Danny Heistock here with Common Inc., helping people do their business better. And so here we are still, I'm working from home, right? The whole team, we're all working from home, just like many of you are. And I'm bringing to you another solution that was created by the partnering of Hudly and Yamaha UC. And so what they did is they put together this work from home kit that's really fantastic. So number one, it includes this Hudly Go camera, as well as the Yamaha YVC 200 speakerphone that I'm using to actually film this video and record this video, the audio. So the Yamaha YVC 200 includes professional features, including adaptive echo cancellation, automatic gain control, and human voice activity detection, which can distinguish the human voice over background noise. I've been using it a lot lately and I haven't had any issues. I've really come to like the audio quality of this Yamaha YVC 200 for both ends, right? So I have all the other speakers, but this one here seems to have a really good mic transmit. So it supports both wired USB connection or wireless connection via Bluetooth for your mobile devices, and it also has a 3.5 millimeter connection so that you can connect a 3.5 millimeter headset for a private conversation. So that's a really good feature to have on this speaker. Additionally, the Hudly Go is a 16 megapixel 720p conferencing camera with an ultra wide 150 degree field of view. It includes dynamic light optimization, digital pan tilt zoom, and I'm going to show you this in a little bit, compact package that fits in the palm of your hand. And if you've ever seen the Hudly cameras, they are, look at, they're tiny. There it is. All right, so one of the cool things is that you can download an app for the Hudly camera and you can adjust the zoom. So for example, you know, this is the wide view, or you can zoom in. So like if I'm here and I don't want all this mess to be seen behind me, I can tighten up the shot. Let's get close. Let's get closer. Why not get really close? Oh my goodness, yeah. But anyway, all right, and then the brightness can also be adjusted. So I'm gonna adjust the brightness here so you can see I can get sort of darker, or I can get it much, woo. Let's tone this down a little bit. That's too bright. And you can also, you can go like, you know, old school black and white, or let's add a little color to our lives. All right, and so that's what we have for you today. A quick video showcasing the Hudly Go and the Yamaha YVC 200 speakerphone, all in one kit, one SKU. You order that one SKU, you get them both. Thank you so much for watching. We're all going to get through this together. I know they're starting to open up some states here and there, and they're starting to open up some of the other places, and that's kind of a fantastic thing for everyone, especially the small businesses that have been greatly impacted by this. We're here for you. We have stock of some things, so if you need stuff to support your employees working from home, please contact us and let us help. All right, again, thanks so much for watching. Look at the description box below for the links to this stuff. Comment. Let us know what you're thinking. Let us know how things are going. We want to hear from you. All right, guys. Thanks.